I turned a family photo into a custom engraved ornament using ChatGPT, and I want to show you how, because this is going to be a super easy way to make money. In order for us to get the artwork that we want for this ornament, I have turned to my custom ChatGPT Laser Buddy. Now you don't need this one specifically to do this process, but by using mine, it should make it a little bit easier to do. So I'm going to hit this little plus and add my reference photo. And I just got this little stock image online here. And I'm going to say, I want to make a wooden ornament of this family portrait. So I need this converted into clean line art, and then it should ask me a bunch of follow-up questions. All right, so then it's going to ask for a bunch of these details. What kind of ornament, right? So it's going to be on the tree, no text. You can do text if you really want to, and then clean line art. And I'm going to put it, make it look as close to the actual image as possible. And then it will ask me if I'm ready to generate it, and it does this so that it actually works. So I'm going to hit yes. And then it's going to take a couple minutes, and it really depends on your internet and how fast. Now, because I'm doing this out in the garage, my internet is much slower, and so it's going to take a little bit longer for me. One of the reasons to use Laser Buddy over just normal ChatGPT is by using Laser Buddy, which is geared for laser engravers. It will only take about 1 to 2 tries to get where you're going, maybe 3, whereas if you're using normal ChatGPT with no kind of training within it, it could take anywhere from like 6 to 7. So I have a lot of other videos on Laser Buddy that you can check out and see if it's something that's right for you. All right, and that looks pretty amazing. So I am going to ask it to do a couple things. I'm going to ask it to remove the tree and the grass and to fix the man's hand. But other than that, that's not too bad. All right, and this looks absolutely perfect on the second try. So I am very happy with that, and so we can save it and bring it into Creative Space. All right, so here we are in Xtool's Creative Space, and we can import this image, and then let's bring it down to a more normal size, and then we're gonna come up here to the top and hit Trace, and then we can click Save, and then we can hit Engrave, and then now we can engrave it on our ornament. So let's get rid of our reference photo. I'm just gonna center that in the middle. Since we are using the F1 Ultra, I'm going to use my preset to engrave wood, which is the blue light, 100 power, 400 speed. I normally go between 350 and 400, it just depends, and 140 centimeters per line. And then so now we can frame it up and see what it looks like, and then adjust it from there. Once we're happy with that, then we can send it to the laser. All right, so that's a bit unfortunate placement there on his face, so let me grab a different one so I can redo it. I'm gonna go with this other ornament since the little spot in the middle looks a bit lighter. And then I already drilled this one, but I'll show you how I drill it in just a second. All right, so we have our design framed how we like it. And what's really cool about Xtool is you can either have it be the box or you can have it be the actual outline of the image itself. But all right, that looks great. And so now we can engrave it. This is gonna take under 3 minutes, which is gonna make this project super profitable. And that looks absolutely amazing. How cool is that? All right, so let me show you how I drilled the hole in this. Now, when you buy these from MakerFlow, it does come with this self drill bit, but I want to use a little electric drill to make my life easier. So I'm just going to use this little electric drill that Fantic sent me, and it's actually a pretty nice little thing, and it comes with a bunch of different sizes of these drill bits. So I just picked a relatively big one. All right, that's ready to go. And then all I'm going to have to do is just drill this little hole. And it's a thick piece of wood, so it might take a couple minutes. All right, and then we've gotten all the way through. And then now we can put our twine through there. And I got sawdust all over my computer now. But so when you buy this set from MakerFlow, it does come with this twine. If I could figure out where the start of it is. I'm gonna just cut it. But overall, how awesome does this personalized family portrait ornament look? I'm pretty sure you can sell this between $20 and $30 depending on your area, and with it taking less than 5 minutes to engrave, that is a fantastic profit margin for you. I think this would be really popular at craft shows, and you can even take the small Xtool F1 with you, and I think it's going to be something that really sets you apart from other vendors. But before, when I would make a line art ornament like this, I would spend a lot of time painstakingly doing it in Adobe Illustrator as a graphic designer. So the fact that we were able to use ChatGPT to streamline this process is pretty awesome, because the more time you save, it's really the more money you're saving, because your time is super valuable. But let me know what you guys think about this down below, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you want some more laser tips or small business tips or how to make files, then make sure you subscribe and like this video, because it really helps me out a lot. But I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.